A 240 hertz monitor is actually way smoother than you might think. And I would even go as far as to say it is life-changing for gaming. Hear me out and let me explain because it's actually insane. Also, to make my 240 hertz monitor even smoother, we're gonna be upping 240 FPS all the way to unlimited, which my PC has an RTX 3090, so it can get almost 1000 FPS in Fortnite, so this is gonna be crazy. All right, let's hit apply and let's see. Oh my god, this is so smooth. What the heck? All right, hold up, we gotta hit a free build. It's the only proper way to know.
I got it back and I tell her say goodbye. Yeah, I'm in my zone, yeah, they ask me how I do this. Right up in a whip, yeah, I hit it, now I'm moving. Speaking my own language, yeah, the fans in me are fluent. Gotta pay my...
Nah, bro, what is this? Oh my gosh, I'm literally the fastest editor ever with 240. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see how smooth this is on camera because I only record in 60 FPS, but like in person, dude, this is just wow. That's all I can say. It's just wow. So as you can tell by the gameplay, 240 hertz is just insane. If you play on 60 hertz right now or even 144 hertz, I would highly recommend upgrading to 240 because it just makes such a big difference in your gameplay. The monitor I'm using currently is the ViewSonic Elite, and this thing is nothing short of a tank, bro. If I remember correctly, it's around 27 inches, so it's pretty big, and the picture quality on this thing is just wild. And if you guys are looking to upgrade your monitor to a 240, which I would highly recommend doing, I made an Amazon storefront page, link in the description down below, that has 3 of the best monitors in my opinion for the price. They're super cheap, super reliable, and of course 240 hertz for the best possible experience. The affiliate link to the monitors will be in the description down below. I highly recommend checking it out. Anyway, I think it's time to destroy some kids on 240 hertz. Let's get started. Also, quickly, throughout the video, you might notice I have really weird keybinds. I actually play with arrow keys, and I've been playing with these weird keybinds ever since I was 2 years old. And yes, these are the same keybinds you'd use to play cool math games. I get made fun of a lot, I know. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know because I usually get a ton of comments whenever I do a hand cam. So I just wanted to clear things up. Anyways, enjoy the video. Oh! Nah, bro. Oh my gosh, we're actually crazy. Hold on, let's run it back. No! I'm sorry, bro. I didn't mean to hit that on you. No, come back. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We can run it back.
Squap, I don't think I better pass now. Paper so long, I might fuck around and cash out. Everyone on my side. Now I got it back and I tell her say goodbye. Yeah, I'm in my zone. They ask me how I do.
That's what I'm talking about. That's where he's gonna go.
Oh my gosh, bro. My heads are insane. GG's. That was a little awkward there, but we somehow managed to clutch that up. GG's. Oh, dude. Okay, wait. I don't want Giant Storm. Yo. No, I'm actually crazy. Oh my gosh, I just scared that guy. Dude, I just scared that guy so bad. GG's. GG's. Yo, we gotta keep this going. Might be able to drop a 10 bomb here. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, go. I'm crazy. Oh my gosh. 1v1 for the win. 9 kills. Let's go! Let's go. Oh my. Nah, I'm actually crazy, bro. GG's. GG's again. Oh my gosh, dude, 7 kills. Eight kills. GG's. Yo, I'm actually feeling the back-to-back wins here. This is so good. All right. GG's. All right, 1v1 for the win. Let's get it. This guy should be pretty low. I think the focus won the fight. Come on, one more bullet. Come on. Let's go. GG's only. Make sure to drop a like and hit that red subscribe button down below, please and thank you. And I'll see you in my next video.